What's up everyone, it's Matt, and today I'm going to make my 2018 bike check that you guys have all been asking for so much. I decided for the 100,000 subscriber video we would be doing a bike check. I've just been getting hit so much in the comments, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, make a bike check. What setup do you ride? What parts do you recommend? So I figured it was time to give you guys a rundown of my bike. I'll get a shot of it real quick. There it is. So let's just jump right in.
Hey, hey nigga. Big shout to Coach K. Big gang. Five Chief. My nigga Kingy B. My nigga Yusef.
Gangsta Brazil.
So starting up top, yeah, it won't really focus, but got these Shadow rubber bar ends that I found in my drawer. I got ODI grips. ODI grips, pretty nice, really soft. I got the Odyssey lumberjack bars in black. I think they're like 30 wide, but I cut mine down to like 27 and a half. The Madeira mass stem, 48 millimeter long. It's pretty nice. Odyssey R32 forks. I got a Sunday headset. Spins really well. It's good. I got a S&M Revenge complete front wheel. It's cheap. They're good. They last a while. Had this one for like 2 years. Hasn't given me any problems, so. I got the Pokemon card and the spokes because it helps with learning new tricks and looks pretty clean. I like it. So. On the front I have a Demolition bipolar peg and a BSD Rude Tube peg. And then I have a S&M cymbal hub guard. Oops. Alright, onto the frame. I am running the Sunday Soundwave frame, 21 inch. Nice blue color. It's really nice. Lifetime warranty. It's really nice. 21 inch. It's blue. And I like it. I have some random United seat clamp. I have a Mission seat post clamp. Seat post. Came from one of my old bikes. It's holding up. And then on top, laced to a Fiend V2 Garrett Reynolds signature seat. It's really wide, good, nice. Coming down to the bottom, I have a Odyssey LaGuardia 25 tooth Vashguard sprocket. It's holding up good. My friend Devin gave it to me. He actually got sponsored by Odyssey, so they just sent him a bunch of these sprockets for free, so it was nice of him to hook me up with one, so that's pretty cool. And moving on, we got Demolition rig cranks, Dennis Anderson signature, 170 millimeter cranks. And then on those, on the ends of those, I got some Odyssey PC plastic pedals. Just put these new ones on, haven't even ridden them yet. Nice. And then you can't see, but I got a Fit bottom bracket in there. 24 millimeter, had to get that to go with the cranks. But it's nice. Spins good for crank flips and I like it. Next up we got the Shadow interlock chain. In silver, got a couple of links that broke, so some random copper ones, and then there's some blue ones right here. You can't really tell, but from other chains, but it's good, it's strong. Now moving to the back, I have a Colony contour rim, I believe is what it is, laced to a Animal Javelin hub. It's alright, right hand drive. I wanted left hand drive, but it's working out. Pretty good hub. I have some random Shadow drive side hub guard, metal. It's really strong, had it for a while, would recommend it. And on the back, for my third different peg, I have a Deco peg that slides really well, and it's pretty nice. So for my tires, I have Demolition Momentum tires, front and back, 2.4, nice tread. Good for everything. I usually run like 70 PSI, sometimes more, sometimes less, but whatever I'm in the mood for. So yeah, I think I pretty much covered everything. That's my 2018 setup. I'll be taking to college with me. Pretty much everything that's on it right now. Don't think I'm really gonna change anything. It's riding pretty good right now. Yeah, I know you guys have been asking for this for a while, so here it is, and hope you enjoyed it. Once again, thank you guys so much for 100,000 subscribers. It's really awesome. I really didn't think I'd ever make it here, but gonna keep making videos and see where it goes from here. But once again, thank you guys so much. Couldn't have made it here without you. And stay tuned for tomorrow's video. It's gonna be a really good one. Peace.